What's going on, everyone? It's Jeremy with Medleyj Brick Clicks. I got a package from Lego.com today. I think I know what it is, and I guess we'll find out together. I'm concerned because we have lovely box damage on both sides. Well, 3 of the 4 sides. So let's see if this box is actually destroyed. Now, I bought this set, I think, back in October. Because it's how long it takes to get it made and shipped here. And I think we're going to be okay, maybe. This set is kind of rare. There was only 30,000 of them made. And we do have a little bit of box damage. Not too bad. What this is, it's a Bricklink designer program set. Created by designers, voted on the website. Yeah, there's box damage. You can see it right there. And right here. That's okay, because this one I'm going to open and build this little camper set. You see you get a squirrel, butterfly with it. Let's look at the front side. There's our piece count, 669. You get 2 minifigs. It does have a trailer hitch, so you can actually pull it if you have any Lego vehicle. Probably an SUV or a pickup truck would go well with this. I love the little awning that folds out here. Tree, yeah, I make trees better than that, or equal to it, so it's a nice tree. I'll give them that. It is a nice tree, but it's not why I bought it. It was really the camper set. I think this set was like $57 from a piece count. That's not too bad. It was the smallest set in this line. There was 5 of them in this series. Let's see, does it say the series? Okay, right here. Series 3. I think we're already working on voting for Series 7 at this point to decide what could be made. So, yeah, you buy these 6 months later. They get all put together in bags and then shipped out to you. So, I'm going to open this up and we'll see what's in here. And devalue the set by 50% probably, because we just cut these little seals. Since there's only 30,000 of them in the world, and they sold out in a couple hours. So, yeah, if you want to buy it, just look it up on eBay. There's your set number, 910041. Anything that starts with a 9 is going to be under that Bricklink designer program set. And it's official Lego. Don't let them fool you. There's the logo. There's the logo. Yeah, official pieces. The other thing to note here, you do not get paper instructions. You get a card. And there's a QR code to go to the app, and they're 3D instructions. That's the only thing with it. It's to cut down on cost, of printing cost. So, there's our designer. And keep in mind, the only way that you know you have this set to prove it is really this card or the box. The minifigs, I do not think they're unique to this set, and there's no special printed pieces in this that I know of. I didn't see a sticker sheet fall out, so if you want to put this set together and just piece it together, you can do that. That's how many pieces you're going to need. But all Bricklink designer program sets come with a card and a box. So that's really some of the only boxes I actually keep are these, along with less than a handful of others. But there's that. Here's our pieces. Let's see, what's bag 9? That's probably the highest bag number. Like I said, it's not a huge set. There's our minifigs. Bag 1's probably, yeah, just a small one. There's our brick separator and the base. And we get one big random piece. So, I guess we'll get to building. I'll get this off in a future video. And I'll probably get a vehicle or something to pull it just so you guys can see the scale. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Just a quick video, and we'll see you in the next one.